Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up as well. So I got this off of the SNKRS app. So let's crack this open right here. This color was sort of limited from what I've heard, but let's see how the color is, since they did come out with different colors of the shoe. But this color, for some reason, Nike and Jordan brand made it somewhat limited. Again, just a receipt from Nike, their packing slip. So this one, they actually, I guess even the box, they wrapped in paper. They normally don't do that. So here it is. So it's got like a special box right here. As you can see, it says Nike up top. You know, actually Mike up top, Nike. In the top of the box, there is a texture to it. It's not like a smooth texture. Even the side as well. So the whole box, there's some, you know, it's like a rough texture to it. And then inside it says "Be Like Mike" right there. You do get this Gatorade like towel. So you can see Gatorade and the Jumpman logo. Again, this is a nice touch. So, and as far as the paper inside, it does, you know, give you that wet look to it. Here they are. So these are the shoes. And the actual color that they put in here, let me see if they actually put it. They put Cyber is the name of the color. So this is kind of like the lime color. As you can see, you got the Gatorade with the Air Jordan Wings logo right there. So that's the hang tag. You do have the Gatorade symbol with the Air Jordan Wings right there. Got the Nike swoosh. You got Gatorade on the bottom. So pretty much the full color of the shoe is the same. And then in the back, it does say "Be Like Mike," Nike Air, and this is a leather material to it as far as that emblem. And inside you do have, it will say Nike Air. And on the tip of the shoelaces, it does have an orange tip to it. So the color is a bit bright, in my opinion. So it is something different. You do also have white laces, and you have the orange laces as well. And you have what comes in the shoe is the lime lace as well. But the materials are definitely nice. It is a soft leather to it. As you can see, it is very tumbled. In the heel though, it's not as tumbled, but everywhere else it is a tumbled leather to it. So again, nice quality. The colors are a bit bright though, and also on the other shoe, it will actually have inside, it will say Gatorade on it. So dope concept. You know, I do like the concept of the Gatorade. So again, it's something different, and the packaging is definitely on point. With this, I do have other, you know, two other the colors coming in. I think I grabbed the only one I didn't grab was the grape color, the purple color, but everything else I grabbed. And I know I'm also gonna try to go for the 6s. It's coming out soon. so hopefully I grab those. But here they are, the Air Jordan 1 Gatorade in the lime color. So alright YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Alright YouTube, peace out.